I don't recommend you guys subscribing to my channel because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, guys. It looks like I'm not a good example to what day trading should be. So think about it twice before hitting that thumbs up and subscribe button and join in my Discord, because you might regret it. Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is March 1st, 2022, and I'm down $83. That's unfortunate. I'm actually a little bit frustrated with myself. I'm a little bit I guess I became a little bit impatient as well towards the end. I actually wanted to end things when I was down $69, and I continued trading and dug myself a deeper hole, right? $83 down. And what's interesting is none of the stocks that I traded, I'm green on. I traded 5 stocks today, and all of them are red. All of them. I don't remember having a day where I traded and all of the stocks I traded went into red. I did 93 trades today, so I was trading actively. I mean, on average I trade 175 days, so about twice as less, but still it's active. Yesterday I traded 54 times and I was up $66. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's not looking good. It's definitely not looking good. All I gotta say is it doesn't look like I'm the guy to follow on YouTube, guys. I would probably recommend you guys unsubscribe and just hit a dislike button, because it's not going well. I mean, what kind of trader trades all 5 stocks and they're red? I don't know. I'll let you guys decide. Anyway, let's go into the ATXI breakdown. That's the stock that I'm down the most, $34, and I was almost break even on it at some point. On that pop at 10:55 or 10 o'clock, 10:30 I believe it was, or 10:45. Oh, was it? No, it was 10 o'clock pop, and I made my money back on it. I was down $18 on it, and then I made money. I was break even, I believe, like 72 cents or something, and I continued trading. I continued trading a breakout of that 107. I continued to trade that 107, 108 break. I was hoping for this that happened at 10:50 to happen earlier, happen like at 10:30. And as you know, my strategy, if it doesn't happen for a while, I pay that fishing cost. And essentially that $34 that you see, that's a accumulation of that fishing. I keep fishing, I keep giving 3 cents, 3 cents, 3 cents. And with 250 shares to 500 shares, that adds up, right? So fortunately, if that stock would have broke that 108 and moved into the 117, 120 area, I would have made all that money back into that fishing that I spent. That $34, right? It's literally a two decent trades of 5 cents. You know, and you're pretty much break even. So and that could happen, right? If I was up around this area at 10:50 and I wasn't, I didn't know that it's gonna bounce. And even if it was bouncing, I was like, no, I didn't trust it because it crossed the VWAP. I did not know it was gonna break that 108, and I just didn't want to trade it. And I think I did try to trade it. That's where I lost 30. I think not. I lost like a couple more bucks on that. Because look at that flush, man. That flush is, do you trust it? Do you trust it for it to go back and break that 117 again? I mean 117? No. It's a weird stock. It's a dollar stock. It was sub-dollar at the open, and then sometimes it pops 17 cents. That's crazy. That's, 17% pops in a matter of seconds, right? So it's definitely volatile. And definitely money to be made, but money to be made early in the open. And I missed about 30 minutes of the open, so I think that actually, part of the reason why I'm down, because I didn't capitalize some of that gains. Because usually, as you know, if I trade in the morning open, I'm up maybe $100 or up maybe $80, and then if I continue losing like this, I would have been break even. So that's where the disbalance come in. So anyway, ATXI, I know a lot of people, you guys made money on it. It was a tough stock for me. That halt resumed. That's where I lost majority of the money because I thought it was going to bounce. I lost maybe $20 there, 20, 25. unfortunately. So that's ATXI. The next one I'm down is IQ. One of the members in my chat brought it up. I wasn't looking at it. It has a high float, but it was ripping. It was like giving good setups. I put it on watch, right? I put it on watch, and look at this beautiful pullbacks and curls in 1 minute. And that's what I was hoping. Unfortunately, what I didn't account for is the heaviness and the thickness of the trades, right? It was trading thickly. It moves a cent, goes down to, and it's just kind of like all over the place, like Apple stock trades or Facebook. So it was resembling that type of trading there, and for me, I need that instant not gratification, but instant resolution, right? When I see that volume pop, I want to see it 3, 4, 5 cents, and I want to see where it's going to stop. And if it stops, that tells me like, hey, the initial volume is out of the market, so I want to be out as well. Well, this stock doesn't show you this. This stock is just kind of slowly like trickling up, and then look at this. It turned around, but you never know where it was going to turn around. It was going to turn around here, maybe here. I don't know. Maybe it would have continued up. Who knew? So that's why that's not my type of stock, but I saw these setups and I saw they were given some decent 5-4 cents. So I was like, okay, maybe I can grab a couple cents here. And every time I took a trade on IQ, it went against me. 2-3 cents, and it was just pissing me off. Anyway, $30 on it. There you go. Here's your $64 so far. And then of course KVL. I missed that first 30 minutes of the trading, and that's where KVL gave all of it move, right? And then of course I come back and look at the top here. I trade the breakout. I trade the 350 break, and it doesn't work in my favor. It sells off. A 350 break, the $0.50 breakout, doesn't work. Flushes. Can you buy a pullback for potential reversal? I don't know. Maybe a good idea, maybe bad. In this case, it was a bad idea. So anyway, only down $12 in it, but $12, it adds up. So we were down 64 already, and now plus 12. You do the math. I'm not gonna bring up GBS and SkyH, because SkyH I jumped in late. It was just really a test trade with 5 shares, and then GBS was it's like a sympathy momentum to ATXI, so that was a dud trade for me too. So that was a test trade, but overall down $83. I mean, that's not good. Every trade I took went into red. I did have some resolution on ATXI where I made, I believe it was almost 11 to 12 cents. So that brought me to break even on that stock, but then I gave it all back after I was trading that 108 break. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, not looking good. First day of March in red. If you guys were looking forward for the red days for me, it looks like they're coming, right? I hope you weren't, but anyway, I don't recommend you guys subscribing to my channel because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, guys. It looks like I'm not a good example to what day trading should be. So think about it twice before hitting that thumbs up and subscribe button, and join in my Discord, because you might regret it. Anyway, guys, I'll definitely talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow brings a better day. Stay thirsty, stay healthy, and have a good rest of your day.